We'll guide you through how to download and install Discord on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Discord is a communication app. It's one of the best out there. On there, you can go and add friends and go and talk to them one-on-one, have calls, share your screen. You can have groups as well, but you can also go and have Discord servers. So you can go and create your own servers for communities, whether it's for your business or just for your friends and community. Or you can go and join other people's as well. So loads of games have them, so you can meet other people playing the game. And there's loads of different servers out there as well, which you can go and find. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and download Discord, install it, and go and get started with it. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as you may go and miss something important. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. So in this case, I'm going to use Chrome, but you could use Microsoft Edge, it doesn't matter. Now, what we need to do is go and head to the Discord site. So you can go and type in Discord, like so. You can actually go straight to discord.com as well, or you can search for it and click on it at the top here. So you can go and read about it, but ultimately you can scroll down and find the download button and also open Discord in your browser. You can use it in the browser. I think the app's way better as you can easily access it and have it pinned in your taskbar, etc. So you can press download for Windows. Now it's going to be downloading. So it shouldn't go and take too long. It's 120 megabytes. Of course, it will depend upon your internet speed. It's now finished. Now you can go and open up your file explorer. So you can click on that at the bottom and we can come to your downloads to the left and you can go and find the Discord setup. Then you want to go and double click on it like so. And shortly it's going to go and start running. Go and wait. As you can see, here it is, and it'll go and update, and it's now starting, as you can see. Then we're brought to the login page. So if you have a Discord account, enter your email or phone and password. If you don't, come beneath login and it says need an account, and you can click register, enter in your email. You can choose a display name, username, password, date of birth, and create your account. Now I already have one, so I'm going to press login at the bottom. I've now successfully logged in and here we are. Mine will probably look different to you as I've got different servers and different messages here, but now you can go and get using it. I like to right click on my taskbar and we can then go and pin it and you can easily access it whenever we need to.